So I just passed my CompTIA, the Core 2, the 1202 version, and I am CompTIA A Plus certified. I'm also CompTIA Network Plus certified. I'm also CompTIA Tech Plus certified. And I'm also CompTIA Security Plus certified, guys. And I want to tell you how was my experience specifically with the second part of the CompTIA, which is the Core 2. And then if you're here in this video, subscribe right now immediately. Immediately subscribe. Subscribe right now. Stop wasting your time. I only post solution, real solutions. Check this out, cybersecurity, guys. I earned this sweater. Even though I make this sweater, I earned it with one single word: determination. Determination. So without speaking more, let's start about my experience with the CompTIA A Plus, specifically the Core 2. So the CompTIA, it is 2 exams. In order to be certified, you need to pass 2 exams. You cannot be certified by just passing 1 test. These are the CompTIA rules. I don't set up the rules. So we know why. Everyone knows why they do it this way, but it's their company, they do it this way. So if you want to be CompTIA certified, you have to pass the 2 tests. So I passed the Core 1 a week ago, and I just passed the Core 2 today. I did tons of many practice questions. There's nothing like not preparing enough. Always prepare more and more. Winners, they prepare and they still feel like they need to lose. Losers, they do the minimum and they believe they should be winning. Always remember this. So my experience was very simple. I did a lot of practice tests. I went straight into the CompTIA website. I've been doing this for all the CompTIA certifications that I have. And I got the objectives. I focus only on the objectives, on like what are the CompTIA objectives for this specific test. And this is how I do it. This is how I pass. This is how I practice. This is how I learn. I know not everyone has the same experience. I have 7 years of experience, more than 7 years of experience working in IT. I've been working on this field for so many years, and that's how it's easy for me to pass it. Like that's how it's. I'm not saying easy because yes, it is easy because of the experience, like I said, but for other people, you might need to study more. Maybe for you, it's not enough just the CompTIA objectives. You might need to go to Professor Messer. You might need to go to Jason Udemy. You might need to watch videos. You might need to ask. We're in 2026. You have AI. You can ask AI different platforms for different things. On like, for example, let's say you don't understand what's the difference between TCP protocol and UDP protocol. You can ask AI to describe you these protocols in simple terms, like if you were new. So all of this stuff is great to know. And if you want to pass this test, do this. Practice. There's nothing better where you're gonna be. The more practice you do, the better you're gonna be prepared. It's a guarantee, guys. I've been telling you in all my videos. A lot of people have been asking me out there what specifically practice tests I've been using, and I've been using Jason Udemy's practice tests, which are not free. You have to pay. You have to pay for the practice tests, but I think are worth it. They're worth it. And I'm also doing that, and I'm also doing I usually install apps on my phone that just focus on like practice tests for CompTIA. So I type CompTIA on my phone, and then I get the practice app. So I do practice tests on my phone. While on my phone, I'm practicing. And then I get an exam compass, which I'm also gonna leave the link in the description. I also do, Professor Messer also has practice questions. I taken his practice question when I took the Security Plus. I did Professor Messer. So like I said, there's so many practice questions that you can do. And a lot of the questions that are similar, they try to focus on the objectives. So just do this, guys. Just do this. You'll pass. And I hope you guys like this type of content. Let me know, comment what I can do better. And this is for all of you guys. So see you in the next video. And